It gives me great pleasure to announce the Prime Minister's Educator of the Year award. These awards reflect the value of education and its ability to change lives for the better. They recognise leadership and the way educators create positive impacts for students, colleagues and communities. This award comes with a prize of $10,000 and goes to the person who best exemplifies the award's overall criteria. The recipient of the award will also have the honour of wearing a korowai, specially created by Te Aotearoa weaving expert Vera Noa Hitet. Rau Araha, the name chosen for the korowai, recognises the mana of the Educator of the Year award and the person who receives it. It is passed on each year to the Educator of the Year awardee. This year's recipient has a strong record of innovation, hands-on teaching and academic publishing and international leadership. They are also a strong supporter of students taking charge of their own education and reinforcing their learning through teaching their peers. So without further ado, the Prime Minister's Educator of the Year award goes to Associate Professor Carolyn Gates, Associate Professor in Veterinary Epidemiology and Education, Massey University. My warmest congratulations to you, Carolyn.